Honor X9D, the unbreakable AI smartphone. All-ankle ultra tough, world Guinness record holder, IP69K water resistant. Introducing our biggest battery yet, 8,300 million hours, 108 megapixel lossless capture camera with OIS, AI photo editing. Honor X9D, the unbreakable AI smartphone.
Itiski TV, powered by World Sports Betting. itiskitimes.co.za. Orlando Pirates 1, Siwelele FC 1. Mdlalo Betway Premiership match day 21 for Orlando Pirates. Now, last night there was the CAF Champions League. Now it's Betway Premiership, and also tomorrow it's Betway Premiership. There's a game tomorrow. Kaizer Chiefs.
Kaizer Chiefs eshangaze badlala neDurban City.
Durban City, yeah. Durban City. So nalo umdlalo sancover wona pha kwi-Diski TV. But esawuthetha ngawo namhlanje, it's Orlando Pirates and Siwelele, where Orlando Pirates drop points at home namhlanje. Kwimidlalo e9 eshikileyo, they had to play against Siwelele namhlanje, and they drop points. Former Orlando Pirates midfielder Vincent Pule coming back at Orlando and causing his Pete scoring against his former team and refused to celebrate. But Bobzin, ngikubulisa mhlaba right?
Ngirightini ngiyacabanga na rightini ithi ngibulise uJusto, ngibulise uMr Nkewu, ngibulise uJoyine noTso.
Masingene kuyo mhlaba. Ubone njani umdlalo namhlanje?
Shane mngani wami, okokuqala into ekumele uyibheke kulama team o2, ngiyacabanga ukuthi it's not easy to play Isiwelele, especially umqeqeshi wabo. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi umuntu wenza kube difficult for especially ama team afana nabo Orlando Pirates nabo Mamelodi Sundowns, because ngibonile iSundowns yayithola idraw uSiwelele la khona bekusase first round. Then ubheke manje Orlando Pirates nayo uma ungabheka the last 3 games nayo Isiwelele ama win Orlando Pirates akumani kube easy for Orlando Pirates to win against Isiwelele. So kusho kona Shane ukuthi it's not easy to play especially no coach Siema, you understand. So uma ungabheka le game the way icale ngakhona, Orlando Pirates Shane ngiyacabanga they did everything except ukuthi ba convert ama chances, you understand. It's because of the way uGosa asebenze ngakhona kulawa ama save. Hambe yobheka Orlando Pirates build up yayo beyihle kakhulu. Uma ungabheka ku break ama lines progressive passes Orlando Pirates up until bayifika ku final third, creating ama scoring opportunity. They did everything Shane. Hambe ubheka ama stats Orlando Pirates banama attempt out 23, shot on target is 12. They managed to score 1 goal. Ubheka ama save waka boss plus or minus 10 wama save awenzile. We understand. Kusho kona ukuthi iPirates into nje ebekumele ukuthi yenze ukuthi iconvert lawo ama chances. Yes, sometimes kune poor finishing somewhere somehow, but goalkeeper weSiwelele uGos wenza ama save amahle kakhulu. We understand. So ngiyacabanga futhi okunye kuOrlando Pirates njengoba ngisho ngithi beba kahle especially kuma build up going forward. Nenye into futhi elimaza mhlawumbe iPirates ku final third bafika barashe kakhulu Shane uma bafika ku final third. Yes, kwamele vele ungaveli ube casual uma ngabe yafika eboxini okanjani, but sometimes you must take time ama decision wakho zowenza, you understand, because bheka Umbatha the way bekenza ngakhona. Umbatha it did very well Shane today, played very well. Ungabheka the way beka shaya ama run ngakhona atholakala kuma spaces Umbatha. I'm sure Makhawuli ahamba yofuna aletha lawo mabhola ukuthi akabuye eboxini la khona azothola uApolisi no really. Unfortunately akazange Shane kube nalo connect kwalabo badlali. So sometimes no really ngiunderstand mana akekho selfish, but kunala khona kumele ukuthi ashaye Shane. Uyambona ukuthi uphasa too much really, and uyamazi ukuthi ngevula vala umuntu ogudu kulezi zinto esifana nalezo, but kunala khona ubona ukuthi really kumele place la ball, really kumele ngaphasi athathe mhlawumbe leya shot on target, but because of ngilomdlalo ngekho selfish ugcina phasana la mhlawumbe ibhola lifika lifa khona. But angeke Shane uthi kule stage okuso njenge-Orlando Pirates isikhathi ukuthi ungadrop ama-points. Yes, they played very well, but ngesikhathi okuso akusisikhathi sokudrop ama-point. Second round, yes, it's difficult. We know ukuthi second round is difficult. Njengeqembu le-Orlando Pirates, the problem ukuthi sometimes uthola kuba nzima for yona ukuthi uma ifika second round kwangathi ayikhoni ukudlala under pressure. Ayikhoni ukuthi mase ifika second round i-top up lela gear mhlawumbe icale ngalo. Uyanderstand? Because uma ngabe udlala kahle Shane, finisha Shane. Ama team afana nalawo because uma ngibheka iOrlando Pirates after iloser kuleya team ye Casrick. Hambe uyobheka ukuthi Orlando Pirates idlala kanjani. Ubheke lama win iOrlando Pirates watholayo ukuthi kunala ngathi iloku busy ya drop iOrlando Pirates. Uyanderstand? Kunala ngathi iloku busy ya drop. So now ungathola njengo withdraw so awazi ukuthi next game because iluze ukwenza ukuthi ulungise nento engamelanga ilungiseke Shane. Ungumdlali ugcina udlale under pressure. Uyanderstand ukuthi no sifuna ukuwina kanti ungarush sometimes Shane. So asibanikeze man beCeltic play away ubuye ne draw Orlando Shane akukho lula mhlawumbe nalela gama Shane lilethe ezinye izinto since la change kwaba iArena ngathi akusafana lokuba lesigodi engisaziyo ukuthi awumani ubuye nje since ichangelela gama mangabe ukhumbula kahle laba iArena hambe ubheka ama game eOrlando Pirates ukuthi ungangihleki Shane. Okay, ngicela ungitshele yipi game mhlawumbe ucama ukuthi since ichangelela gama ungasho ukuthi Orlando Pirates beya all out Shane.
After iArena,
Yeah.
Maromo Gallants was there. They caught 3.
Okay.
Who else went there?
Ngaphandle waleyo game.
Orlando Pirates. This is their second draw after draw Casrick Stars.
Yasazi isigodi Shane. Ne attendance esigodi uyayazi uma sikutshela ngesigodi Shane.
Bobsin, Orlando Pirates, this is their second draw. This is their first draw, in fact, a league. At Orlando Stadium. Remember this season, abana draw Orlando. Draw yabe Orlando. Draw zabo.
Yeah.
They were away draw.
Yeah.
So this was their first draw of the season at Orlando.
Ayikho into abangayitholanga Orlando. Bane draw, bane lose, bane win. And akusinto sijwayele ku first round for Orlando Pirates.
No, Orlando Pirates loses at Orlando. Last season they lost to Skukuni at
Kuluma
Orlando.
this season Shane.
This season they also lost to
Kukuni
Skukuni.
first game. Oh yeah.
At Orlando.
First 2 games I remember.
Yeah, it was still called East Coast.
Okay.
Now I'm still. Abana lost Island Gate Arena.
But le energy Shane kwenzakalani? Orlando Amstel Arena.
Bobsin,
Akusasele energy Shane.
they are missing chances. If you
Yeah,
are missing chances,
yeah.
you're not gonna win games.
Mara khona into enzakalayo Shane. Asimani siyeke lapho but utsho ukuthi khona into enzakalayo iArena Shane. Dinga umthandazo eAmstel Arena. Last kwaba nesonto elibambela umthandazo lapha Shane waqala into zingahambi kahle. Orazwane umthandazo Shane.
Bobsin,
Kunento othembele kuyo lapha eArena. Mhlawumbe ayihlangana nomthandazo Shane. Tshela mina mngana.
yini leyo ngana.
Shane, yazi asikhulume Shane
Yeah.
ngeqembu leswelele Shane.
Yeah.
Ngiyacabanga ukuthi Shane iqembu leswelele uma ungabheka first half the way bebadlala ngakhona iOrlando Pirates njengoba ngisho ngithi bekulula for bona ukuthi they can score their game first half. Iswelele Shane besingekho ukuthi ungacabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe singenza something. They only got 2 chances. 1 shot on target kule game yonke and 1 goal. Kune chance la uHizu lifike khona la lenda ngakhona ukul controller first half. Ile chance engibonile enye but ungabheka the way iswelele besingakhona. Bebafuna ukuzama ukudlala ngomashonisa oVincent Pule noPonsana because ungabheka la phakathi kulesiso uMakamani akusimdlali ebocabanga ukuthi namhlanje bekabaleka lesasiso azama ukuthi at least ufuna ukuthi assiste but ila umbatha bekazama ukuthi azocontroller lesasiso because sokusele umdlalo ofana noMukhuwane lapha kuleya midfield then bathatha uNyiko Mobi today bamdlalisela center back la khona sibona uMbuthuma kunama ball Shane engicabanga ukuthi beyenza kahle kakhulu kuba nama first touch but bamama ngama offside. You understand? So let's give credit njengoba ngisho kuleya mceceshi dewenza ngakhona but second half uma ngithi ngiyabheka lento uzamile ukuthi ubonile ukuthi Orlando Pirates uma idonsa undaba ilethe uhoto ifuna ukukhuphuka manje nango sibelebele ifuna ukukhuphuka manje Orlando Pirates waletha labadlali abancane waletha uNgwato waletha uMazibuko waletha noLitheli and uletha abadlali abane energy to stop iOrlando Pirates ukuthi ingakhuphuki ifuna ukushiya labantu abawu2 which is uSiyema noSibisi. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi bekuyiplan yakhe le kuletha labadlali abancane ababuya ku DDC ukuthi okay bane energy bane skill. Uma ngizoletha labo badlali labi Orlando Pirates izofuna ukukhuphuka. Ngahle ngibabambe mhlambe ngaleyo count because bazoba emuva banganayo inamba. So let's give credit also ku coach Siyema because it's not easy ukubuya esigodini Shane. Ubuye ngedraw uyiteam efana mhlambe nesiwelele. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi for bona iyabavuna idraw njengoba babuya nayo lapha eOrlando, but for Orlando Pirates Shane ngiyacabanga ukuthi idropper ma point ngesikhathi eswrong because the team abacompete nayo if kuzoba iteam engaluzi ekhaya and ina more games ekumele wadlala ekhaya kuzoba nenkinga for Orlando Pirates ekugcineni ukuthi le race iphele ngendlela mhlambe nabacabanga ukuthi bangahle bayiwine le league Shane.
Bobzin, thank you so much for your analysis. Eskodini namhlanje Orlando Amstel Arena. Orlando Pirates through with Isiwelele 1-1. Vincent Pule scoring for Isiwelele. Tsipang Moremi scoring for Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates dropped 2 points at home namhlanje. They're just 1 point above Mamelodi Sundowns. But remember on Tuesday Sundowns bayadlala again Marumo Gallants. Now Marumo Gallants they lost namhlanje against Golden Arrows. They lost at home. Lucas Masterpieces Modipa Stadium. So they are going to Loftus on Tuesday to play against the defending champions Mamelodi Sundowns.
Kusho ukuthini uma Marumo Gallants lost?
Marumo
Gallants possible ukuthi ngaluza kabili Marumo Gallants in a row. They've
been doing it season yonke Bobzin.
And uma uthi ebheke Marumo Gallants la iyakhona le team abayidlala nayo since yagcina ilose nge90 minutes against the Cape Town City. Kuleya season last of last nge90 minutes lapha eLoftus ilose yabo leyo Shane. So bana more than 50 games ku90 minutes without a lose. We don't know ukuthi iMarumo Gallants iyofuna ukulibreaka lelo record asazi Shane.
Okay, we'll see on Tuesday at Loftus where Marumo Gallants will play against Mamelodi Sundowns at Loftus. But tomorrow there's a game. Kaizer Chiefs will be playing against Durban City. Umdlalo Betway Premiership. Nayo lo mdlalo saniphathela apha ke kwi-Diski TV. From myself and Ubobo, thank you so much for watching Diski TV.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Diski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Diski TV.